Is your key fob case cracked or worn out? Instead of buying a whole new remote, you can restore it easily with this affordable keyless remote case. It's designed to replace your damaged cover quickly, saving you time and money while bringing back your key fob's original look and feel. What makes this replacement case stand out is its seamless fit. It matches the exact dimensions of your original transmitter cover, ensuring a tight seal that keeps moisture and debris away from the internal electronics. That means your key fob stays protected and fully functional for longer. Swapping out your old case is surprisingly simple. Just pop out the internal circuit board from your worn key fob and place it into this new shell. It's a straightforward repair that doesn't require any special tools or skills, making it a convenient option for anyone looking to fix their remote quickly. One happy customer shared how easy it was to upgrade their worn-out key fob. They loved the fresh look of the new cover, especially the digital pink camo design, and appreciated how well it fit. This replacement case not only restores functionality but also adds a bit of style to your key fob. Before ordering, make sure this part fits your vehicle by entering your make, model, and trim level into the garage tool. This ensures you get the perfect match for your specific car, so you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. If you're tired of dealing with a cracked or faded key fob case, this replacement cover is worth a look. It offers a practical, cost-effective way to bring your keyless remote back to life without the hassle or expense of buying a new one. Try this keyless remote case when you're ready to fix your worn-out key fob. With its trustworthy protection, seamless fit, and easy installation, it's a smart solution that keeps your remote working and looking great.